Hello and welcome back to Ethiverse Lovelies. I know it's been a very long time, but today we are going to try out the new Nature's Essence Bridal Glow Facial Pack. So it has total 8 steps and it comes with 8 sachets. So I'm just going to try it out one by one. So let's begin with our first step. So for this we'll need a cotton pad because it is a skin tonic. So we are just going to pour the tonic on the cotton pad and rub out the excess dirt and makeup, if any, on our skin. But I'm just going to rub it out throughout my face evenly, also through my neck and at the back of my neck, and I'm going to rub it more on my nose just to make sure all the blackheads are removed very well. And you can see how much dirt it has, even though we cannot see it, but it is still there. I'm then going to just pour some on my hand and pat it on my face, and this will give me a nice hydrating glow. Now let's move on to the second step. So it's a scrub, so that's why I'm going to tie all my hair up and take some on my hand, and you can see the texture of the scrub. I'm then going to apply it on my face, and I swear it smells so good. It almost has a rose essence in it, so yeah, it does smell very good. And then I'm going to scrub it out throughout my face very nicely. You need to make sure that you are scrubbing all those points where there are chances of your skin having blackheads or whiteheads. So make sure you just rub it out nicely. Also make sure you do not forget the neck because we are trying out a bridal facial and we want to make sure we don't miss out on anything. So after scrubbing for nice 5 to 6 minutes, I'm just going to wash it off and then clean the excess with a cotton pad. Again, while cleaning with the cotton, I'm just going to put some more pressure around my nose just to make sure the blackheads are out completely. And I don't know if you can see it, but yes, it is visible on the cotton. And then just pat your skin dry with a nice napkin, and I can already feel the glow on my skin. Now the third step is a bridal glow upturn. So just take some upturn on your hand and massage it nicely on your face, on your neck, and if you want you can also apply it on your hands and at the back of your neck, which is like the upper back. So yeah, you can apply the upturn on there, but while applying make sure that you are massaging it into your skin just to make sure all the good things are going into your skin, and it's also going to exfoliate the skin a bit. So after massaging it nicely and drying it for 5 minutes, we are just going to scrub it out from our face and then wash it and pat dry our skin. I must say, I was just completely blown away by the results at just the third step of this facial. It just gave me that supernatural bridal glow and also a clean look on my face. So yeah, I was very well impressed. Moving ahead, the next step is massage cream. So all you have to do is take some cream on your hand, dot it on your face, neck, hands and upper back, and then massage it nicely. You can also use a face roller if you want. Also, if you have someone who can massage it for you, it's going to be better because this entire process is so exhausting and also very stressful, because I have experienced it. So at that point I was expecting I had somebody to massage, but anyways, just a suggestion. So it's very important that you're using perfect points for massaging, because only then you will achieve the expected glow. So you can refer to the massage techniques that I'm showing in my video right now, but you can also search some online and take any expert help if needed. So moving ahead, the next step is applying body oil. So all you have to do is rub your hands and preheat them, and then take some oil and apply it on your face, neck, hands and upper back. Also, applying it on the face is optional because they have not mentioned it. They have only mentioned it as body oil and not face oil, but I'm applying it because I know I have exfoliated my skin too much and I need some moisture over there. So I'm just going to apply it on my face a bit and massage it through, just to make sure all the moisture is retained. Now the next step is applying a clay pack. So before applying this, I'm just going to clean out the excess oil on my face with the cotton pad, and then take some clay pack on my hand, apply it evenly on my skin, wait for it to dry for 10 minutes, and then wash it off with a clean water and then pat dry my skin. I am completely in love with the results which I am seeing right now. So moving on to the next step, it is a molding mask. So all you have to do is take a bowl, pour the powder in the bowl, and then put some water in it, mix it and apply it immediately on your face. Because I'll tell you what happened with me. I just kept mixing it, and then I applied it slowly on my face, and by the time the powder's consistency became worse. I don't know what happened to it, but it started becoming dry, and when I added water to it, it just kept worsening. So I would just suggest, as soon as you mix it with water, just directly apply it on your face. Don't wait for anything, or don't leave it in the air. So after drying it for 3 to 4 minutes, I peeled it off from my skin, because this is how you do it. This is the correct way of using a molding mask. And I must say, I was actually in love with the results which I saw later. It was an exhausting process, but it was all worth it. So now moving on to the final step, which is a bridal glow serum. So you have to take some serum on your hand and apply it on your skin, and then massage it through. That's all that we do with the serum, right? So just follow the same steps which you followed for the massage. You can also use the slap therapy just to add that extra glow to your face. Actually, this is a Korean technique, but you can try and test it for yourself. You can also pinch on your cheekbones to add that natural blush and to circulate the blood. So that's how I do it, and I think using this bridal facial pack was really worth it, because I could actually see the instant difference in my skin, and I would really suggest it to all of you. This is not sponsored. I'm literally in love with the results that I'm seeing. So total thumbs up to this. So that's it for today, guys. Make sure you leave a like, comment and also share this video with your friends, and check out my recent video. See you soon.